Deep inside high-security facilities of Lockheed Martin, the world's most advanced fighter jet begins its journey. The F-35 Lightning II is not just built, it is engineered for dominance. Every detail matters. From advanced avionics to the powerful F-135 engine, each component is tested again and again. Because in the sky, failure is not an option. Then comes the pilot, trained, focused, ready. He steps into a cockpit where human skill meets cutting-edge technology. Engines ignite, power surges, the runway fades behind, and in seconds, the F-35 rises into the sky. Above the clouds, fast, stealthy, unstoppable. Nearly invisible to radar and unmatched in combat. This is not just a fighter jet, this is air superiority. Mission complete. The jet descends smoothly, touching down with precision. From factory to flight to landing, the F-35 is not just a machine, it is the future of air power.